Okay, you've got your gears, but I'd like you to ignore the gears, because if you're looking down, you're not looking where you're going. The other thing is that, well, the scooter does it for you when you change gear, but you want to be in a gear that's useful. So gear number 2, gear number 3, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
All that matters is if you do this and it goes, blah, you're too low. And if it's going, you're too high, you know.
Broadly. In the middle.
You just want a nice, you want a gear that can give you some pull when you need it.
Okay.
And not so high, just nice and cruisy, relaxing. Okay. We have the ignition off. We have the ignition on. Now, if you turn the ignition off, turn the steering to the left, push down, and maybe a little bit of a wiggle. You have, and you can move the steering. You have steering lock.
Yes, steering lock.
To get out of the steering lock, key in, just turn it, a little bit of a wiggle. Just give a try with putting the lock on, putting the lock off. Yeah.
Okay.
Beautiful. Okay. The lock is useful for casual. If somebody really wants to steal your bike, 4 or 5 hairy people, gorillas, will jump out of a ute, pick the bike up and put it into the ute. So, you know. Now, the other thing to do is the petrol. So petrol, key in, turn it, and you can fill up. Although not to the brim, there's a little ledge there.